Good morning, students. This video is for class 12th. Subject is economics, and this video is part 3 basically of the chapter elasticity of demand. This is the third video. Three methods of measurement of price elasticity of demand are there. Three methods. First is percentage or proportionate method. Second is total expenditure method. And the third is point or geometric method. As per ISC syllabus, numericals are supposed to be done. Numericals will be asked for percentage or proportionate method only. Okay, so first is percentage or proportionate method. As you can see, there are two formulae for this basically. The second one has been derived from the first one only. So EP, as I told you in the earlier video, stands for price elasticity of demand. The formula is percentage change in quantity demanded divided by percentage change in price. Now it can from this only we have derived the second formula, which you can see. Price elasticity is, now this is called delta Q or increment Q upon delta P into P upon Q. Now pay attention. Over here basically this Q, I'm over here. This Q stands for initial quantity or original quantity, which is being demanded by the consumer, original quantity. And P is the initial price or the original price. Then this along with the triangle, that is delta Q change, is basically change in quantity, and delta P is change in price. Things will become clear as we solve the questions. Before that, a few points to remember while calculating price elasticity by percentage method. Mathematically speaking, price elasticity of demand is a negative number. Price elasticity of demand is negative. Why? Because negative slope of the demand curve. That you know, negative slope of demand curve, which indicates inverse relationship between the price and the quantity demanded, as stated by the law of demand. But while calculating price elasticity of demand by percentage method, common practice is to ignore the negative signs. We take the absolute values and not their signs. Now, price elasticity is a unit-free measure. You don't attach any unit, like you have centimeters and all. Now you ignore, because it uses percentage changes in prices and the quantity demanded. It does not depend on the units of measurement of quantity demanded, whether kilo, kg of rice or liters of petrol. It doesn't. Okay, so I proceed now. Price of a commodity falls from rupees 50. I'll be solving it. So price of a commodity falls from rupees 50 to 40. So children, just a moment so that it's visible to you. Okay, so original price is rupees 50, children, and the price falls from 50 to 40. So you can calculate what will be change in the price from 50, it falls to 40. So that makes it rupees 10 change in the price. And now I'm coming back. Price of a commodity falls from rupees 50 to rupees 40. And the quantity demanded increases from 100 units to 150 units. That means what was the original quantity? I repeat, quantity demanded increases from 100 units to 150 units. So the original quantity was 100 units. And what is the change in the quantity? From 100 units, it has become 150 units. You can calculate it orally, but still I'm doing this for you. The new quantity is 150 units. From that you subtract 100 units. How many units you get? 50 units. Okay. Now calculate the price elasticity of demand. That is EP is the symbol for price elasticity. Then what is the formula? Change in quantity upon change in price into original price upon original quantity. Initial price upon initial quantity. You can say it that ways. So what is change in quantity? Above I have mentioned 50 units upon change in price is here. Change in quantity was here. So change in price is 10. I am doing away with the units, rupees and units. I am not writing. Into P. What is original price? You can see that it's rupees 50. I am writing 50 upon Q. Upon Q, na? So I'm just putting the values. It's 100 units. So I'm putting 100. So what do we get? 50 ones are 50, 2s are 100. This gets 2 ones are 225s will be 50. And what do you get? 2.5 is the price elasticity. That's your answer. Okay, this is the EP. I hope this is clear. So you can pause and see this, or you can take a screenshot. If you're watching it on laptop, then you can click it with your mobile phone. So I'm proceeding with the next problem. Now, question 2. Price of a commodity rises from rupees 5 to rupees 6. That means your original price is rupees 5. Okay, and change in price from 5 it has become 6. So orally you can calculate 6 minus 5 is rupee 1. Okay, or else I'll do this for you. Rupees 6 minus rupees 5 gives you rupee 1. This is the change in price. Now, as a result, its demand falls from 100 units to 80 units. That means what was the initial or original quantity? Q. It was 100 units. Okay, and it has now fallen down. Demand has fallen down from 100 units to 80 units. That means you need to calculate the change in the quantity. That's also you can do orally. 100 units, from 100 units it has fallen down to 80 units. So 100 minus 80 is 20. But still, for your convenience, 100 units minus 80 units. That means there's a change of 20 units. Now we need to calculate price elasticity of demand by percentage method. Apply the formula. EP is price elasticity. Change in quantity upon change in price into original price or initial price upon original or initial quantity. Put up the fill up the values. Put the values. So change in quantity is 20 units upon 20 units upon change in prices rupee 1 above into original prices 5 upon original quantity is 100. Okay, now if you cancel it out, 25 is 100. So 20 ones are 20, 5 is 100. 5 ones are and 5 ones are. So we get 1. So this is the case of unitary elasticity. I hope this is clear. So you can pause the video or you can take a screenshot of this, and then I suggest you repeat this on your own. Okay. We move to the third question. A consumer purchases 20 units of a commodity when its price was 4 rupees per unit. That means original price is rupees 4. Okay, and original quantity I'm writing in front of price, it was 20 units. Okay, fine. He purchased 30 units of it when its price fell to rupees 3 per unit. He purchased 30 units. So what is the change in quantity? New quantity is 30 units minus 20 units. The original quantity gives you 10. Okay. When its price fell to rupees 3, that means the new price is 3. So what is the change in price? Original price, as you can see above, is 4 minus new price is 3. That means there is a change of rupee 1. What is the price elasticity of demand? So apply the formula. Price elasticity is equal to change in quantity upon change in price into P upon Q. Always write the formula. The more you practice, the more it sinks into your mind. Remember it. So change in quantity, as you can see, is 10. Now just put the values. It's easy. Change in price is rupee 1 into what is the original price? 4. And what is the original quantity? It's here 20. Okay. So 4 ones are 4 fives are 20. 5 ones are 5 twos are 10. So we get the answer. What is the answer? 2. 2 is the price elasticity in this case. I hope this is clear. So again, you can pause and solve it on your own, or you can take a screenshot but practice later. I'm proceeding with the next one. Question number 4. A household increases the demand for a commodity from 40 units to 50 units. So that means the original quantity I write over here, original quantity was 40 units. So change in quantity will be, he has increased the demand from 40 units to 50 units. So what is the change? Orally you can do, but 50 minus 40 gives you 10. Okay. When its price falls by 10%, so percentage change in price is given, that is 10%. What is price elasticity of demand? You need to calculate EP. Okay, now how will you do that? Here you can apply the first formula. What is the first formula? EP is equal to percentage change in quantity upon percentage change in price. Children, this you know, this is 10%. So this 10 I'm writing over here. Now percentage change in quantity, from here you can calculate. Basic maths. So how do you calculate percentage change in quantity? Just pay attention. Percentage change in quantity will be, change in quantity upon original quantity into 100, children. Basic maths. So 10 is the change in quantity. Original quantity is 40 into 100. 0 gets cancelled. 4 25s is 100. So 25% is the percentage in change in quantity. Now look here. EP we need to calculate. Percentage in change in quantity, we have calculated 25% upon 10. 10% is already given. I'm doing away with percentage sign. Okay, just 25 upon 10. So that, how much do you get? 2.5. So this is your answer. I hope this is clear. With this, I conclude this session. You can take a screenshot or pause, but repeat these questions on your own. Okay, take care. Good night.